Ah, boy, I know this zone. I feel home now. Finally. I'm not tired anymore, guys. I remember last night, this place was really low. No one was here at midnight, and we couldn't find the hotel actually because we didn't have the data, the internet connection. But now, guys, I'm thinking to buy this watermelon, but I don't know how to cut it. By the way, watermelon is my favorite fruit, guys. I love it. So yeah. Anyway, it had said 4 minutes and we should arrive somehow. Oh boy, where are we going? I'm feeling, you know, for what I'm feeling? For a chai. I'm sure we can find some chai here, but I don't know where. If there is a place or something here for a chai to sit, to relax a bit. Why not? I mean, we are close to the hotel anyway. So we're not in a rush anymore, you know, to grab the right tram, to grab the right mean of transportation. Actually, guys, you remember this morning we went to the gentleman and he said we don't have cafe, but we have chai. Let's see if it's open, that one. What do you think? Yeah? Let's do it. I want to ask actually to a gentleman here. This is closed or what? Okay, let's ask to a gentleman here. If we don't get run over. If we don't get run over. Valigie? Tu? Valigie? Valigie? Siamo. I have... you speak English?
No, Romania.
No, no, Italia. C'è Romania.
Okay.
I have a... Thank you. I have valigia. Small. I have. But inside...
Yeah.
It broke the zip. It broke this one.
Problem.
Bravo. You can fix?
No.
No.
You have mercan.
Mercan.
Bazar.
Okay.
Mercan.
Wait. What is it? Yes. Mercan yokuşun. Okay, I understand.
Mercan yokuşu.
Okay.
That change you have.
Okay.
Change you have. Mercan yokuşu.
Okay. It's far? No. 5 minutes, 10 minutes walk.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes walk.
10 minutes.
Thank you.
Grand Bazar, mercan. Speak mercan.
Okay.
You have mercan. Hepsi biliyor. Böyle ama mercan tamam.
Okay.
Mercan termal. Valiz you have. Change. Orada var.
Is expensive? No.
10 euro falan. Change.
Okay. Chai? Where? Chai.
Chai?
Chai.
Chai you have?
Well,
Or you have? No problem.
I know. Thank you.
No, you have.
Thank you, sir.
No.
He will offer me some chai, guys. Thank you.
Okay, one for me, one for you.
Thank you. No sugar for me. Да?
For me, okay, shaka. For me, one shaka. Turkish chai.
Yeah. Very
Try
good.
this.
Wow. Pure Ceylon tea. Where I can buy good chai?
Try this.
Where I can buy?
You have a market here?
In the bazaar?
Yeah.
Grand bazaar.
No market you have? Shakar no?
No, sure, no. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Let's sit outside here. Let's sit here outside. Let's try to not break it, guys. So yeah, I asked where I can take some good chai, and the gentleman offered me the chai. Look how nice, the hospitality. Thank you.
Italia.
Italia.
Oh, Galatasaray.
Champion. I was born in Albania. I grew up in Italy. You know Albania?
Armenia.
Albania.
Albania'da İtalya'ydı.
Then I grew up in Italy.
Armenia, İtalya.
Yes, I born in Albania and grew up. Yeah. You are Kurdish? Ah. Where I can eat a good doner kebab? Here. What is that one? Tower, that one. What is it? The tower.
What tower?
That one.
Beyazıt.
You see the tower at the end?
Üniversite.
Ha, tower.
Evet.
O üniversite.
Ah, university.
Beyazıt Üniversite.
Okay.
5 metre.
Okay. It's good, that one?
Normal, good. Döner you have.
Okay. So nice, guys. The gentleman offering us the tea. I asked him where is a tea place, and the gentleman told me we have tea. And this was like a luggage shop, like a clothes shop. So yeah, really, really nice. Wow. Fantastic hospitality here. Alright, apparently should be here the hotel, guys. So it's a new road, this one. We didn't come from this way. Let's see now. That's the hotel, right? Yeah, I remember the shops. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Look, still open the shops. Oh boy, where is this guy going here? This camion. This truck. Oh boy. Is the road? It's here, guys. Yeah, we found it. We found it. Where is it? Here. Whew, that's the entrance. Hello. Why, Fenerbahce. A good place for kebab. Döner kebab.
Döner kebab.
Cheap, like
Cheaper.
street food. Italy, actually. I grew up in Italy. I was born in Albania. I grew up in Italy.
Oh, you know
Albania. Good, thank you. You cut it very good, now I notice. Not bad at all, well done. How nice is this t-shirt, guys? I like it. Fantastic. Good. Our room is here. Finally in the room, guys. Time to relax a bit. Well, first of all, let's take off the shoes. And time to relax a bit, as I was saying. They clean the room, they put new towels, etc. Very, very good. Amici miei, we are ready to roll again. I slept a bit, actually, like 2 hours. It's currently 10 p.m. and we're gonna go out to grab something to eat and probably something sweet as well. Join me on this adventure. In the meantime, you can hear the adhan, which is the call to prayer. We will listen better to it when we go out now. I really hope to find something good to eat, guys. And something cheap, actually, affordable, because this is a touristic zone. So let's see if we find it. No. Listen at the call to prayer, guys. Can you listen it? Okay, we went up, so we might go down now, actually, to see what there is. What do you think about that, guys? Kids playing, people walking, taxis. Nice vibe actually here, guys. Super nice. Alright, let's see who is right. The gentleman told me to go up, but I said why not going down, because up we went already. So let's see what we have here somewhere. It's full of hotels here, actually, as you see, in this area, and a lot of shops, small shops that are about to close, because I told you it's 10 p.m. more or less. Oh boy, that one is a sweet shop. What else we have here? This one is closed. I see people here, locals. What do you think is good? Guys, you know what? Let's go on that one. Actually, kebab, I see. Wow. Super fast, that car. We're in the middle of the road. Okay, looks alright here. Hello.
Hello.
Doner kebab, you make?
Döner kebab. This Adana kebab, chicken kebab. Yes. Döner kebab.
Not chicken kebab. Doner kebab, you make or not?
This Adana.
No.
Beef.
Like this.
This.
Yeah. It's chicken durum. Okay.
Chicken durum, beef durum, lamb, liver.
I sit. Brother,
This spicy, no spicy?
I like spicy.
Spicy.
I like. But bring me the menu, please. Bring me the menu. The menu. Bring the menu. Yeah. Good, guys. I think we found a good place. I'm glad about it. Alright, amici miei. The name of this place is Erciyes Kebab. And I already had a look with the menu with the gentleman. I think I will order this Adana durum and probably also one of these, like how is it called this one? I forgot the name. Lahmacun, I think it's called. No, this is like the Georgian one, but I think they make also the Lahmacun or something. I will ask him. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, we're gonna take one of these as well. So yeah, let's try. Let's see how it is. I'm really curious.